replacement was back engineering, and what we've been trying to preach forever is to get away from the scroll to a piston style. If you see how an R4 compressor looks, there's no way you could put a 10 PA gut pack in it because of the design of the compressor, the shape of the compressor. So the only way that we could even think about getting a replacement compressor for that would be the scroll design. Supply issues is one reason why we went with the scroll design. Also, with the scroll design, it stopped the leaking of the body gasket. The R4 has a gasket that goes all the way around that compressor, and if you get high head pressure, say the fan clutch gets weak, it'll start leaking through that body gasket. And with the scroll compressor, it does not have that gasket around the outside of the compressor, so it actually fixed that leak. But you still do run into the common problems with it. Low RPM, it has less compression, but it still performs excellent, runs excellent, and it's quiet, and it's a very durable compressor. GPD on the R4 compressor, we offer the original replacement, or we have a scroll replacement for the R4. Just like our piston replacement compressors, when you look at our GPD catalog, it'll say OE design and it'll say scroll design R4. So when you look at the catalog, it'll make that description.